Understand your name. Rename you guys. Just like Hunaina Zaidi, Anam Azam, Anshara, Hina Ashraf, Tabish. These are the name I'm saying. I want to see your name as well so that I can know you who are you. I want to take attendance for that. So I must know your name. Okay. Now I was asking who is interested in art. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Like that. Good. Tabish, I can see your hand. Good. Good, good. Everyone who's interested in art, raise your hand. Come on. Good, good, good. I like it. I like it. I like it. Do you have pen, pencil and paper with you? Anyone have pencil and paper with you? Very good. Anshara, I see you bring paper. Good, good. Techno comment was there. What is your name? Write down your name, where it display. Tell your mother to rename your, so that I can see your name. Everyone bring paper and pencil. Everyone bring paper, pencil. I will wait for you. Go, hurry, bring paper and pencil with you. Very good. Haya Saleh, I can see you have a pencil and paper. Anshara also have a paper and pencil. Anam Azam also has paper and pencil. Good. Ashraf, why are you rolling your hair like that? Do you want to curl your hair? Okay, Ishal Hamid is clapping. What is the clapping for? Okay, I want to see first what you can draw. What do you like the most? Draw it. I want to see your drawing first. What do you like? You can draw any animal, you can draw any vegetable, fruits, or you can draw anything you like. You like the most. Even the toy you like, draw it. I want to see how do you like to draw. I want to see your drawing. Don't worry about it. गंदा है, अच्छा है, बुरा है, doesn't matter. Art is not about कि perfect draw करना है, okay? Art is not about to draw a perfect piece. Art is about to draw the best thing you like to draw, okay? आर्ट में कोई चीज अच्छी बुरी नहीं होती, गंदी अच्छी नहीं होती है. जो भी आप ड्रॉ करेंगे, it should be displayed the best thing, okay? Don't worry about गंदा पेपर हो रहा है, फट रहा है. बस ख्याल रखना, you have to be careful about not tearing apart your paper, okay? Don't tear apart your paper. Use light pencil to draw. First of all, the rule of drawing is use light pencil. Pencil को बहुत हल्के से रखना है draw करते हुए, okay? फिर आप इरेज कर सकेंगे उसे लाइटली. अगर आप पेंसिल को बहुत शार्प से बहुत जोर लगा के ड्रॉ करेंगे तो पेपर पे रब कर दे फट जाएगा और पीछे भी आ जाएगा वो. ओके, रिमेंबर द फर्स्ट थिंग इज दैट ड्रॉ वेरी विद अ वेरी लाइट पेंसिल. बिल्कुल फ्लावर की तरह ड्रॉ करना है. फ्लावर होल्ड करते हैं आप लोग. फ्लावर को कहते हैं लाइटली डेलिकेटली होल्ड करना पड़ता है ना, वरना फ्लावर पे टूट जाएगा, खराब हो जाएगा. जस्ट लाइक दैट आपने पेंसिल को भी ऐसे ही हैंडल करना है जैसे आपने फ्लावर को हैंडल किया हुआ हो. ओके, thumbs up if you understand me. Show me your thumbs if you understand me, and raise your hand if you don't understand me. Thumbs up if you understand me. Raise your hand if you don't understand me. Hamza, you don't understand me. Okay, I'm gonna repeat myself again. If you guys want to draw something, you have to use light pencil like a flower holding. आपने pencil ऐसे hold करना है just like you are holding a flower. Okay, and then draw it like that. जैसे आप flower को पकड़ के आप round 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 करके draw करें. Just like that you have to draw like that. Okay. Good, good. I'm seeing everyone is drawing. Good, good. Keep drawing. Draw anything you like. Anything. What is the most thing you like? Close your eyes and think about it and draw it on the paper. Good, good. I'm seeing everyone is drawing. Good to see that. It means you guys are interested. I like it. I like it. You guys are charmed. Everyone is ready. Doesn't matter what paper you have, just draw it. Doesn't matter whatever you like to draw. I want to see just your drawing. Once you are done, raise your hand so I can see it. Good, good. Very nice. Hamza, Ishal, beta, open your camera so that I can see your face. I would like to see your face. I would like to know your name also. Very nice, Arshad. You are done. What is this? Can you say it? I'm gonna unmute you, okay? Yes, Arshad. Unmute you. Unmute yourself. I allow you to unmute yourself. Closer to the camera. Show me your copy closer to the camera. Hunayn, ready. You have drawn an apple and flower. Very nice. Well done. Wow. Is this a house? Very nice drawing. I seems you like understand what I'm saying. Great. Good, good. Let's wait for everyone. Everyone, are you done? You done? Okay, take your time and do it. I'm waiting. Do your work. Let me know. Let's wait for everyone to do it. I'm waiting, I'm waiting, I'm waiting. Done? Very good. Very good. Now I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna show you something you can draw in your home. And I would like to have this homework. You guys take a picture, send it to me in the software of the school with the help of your mother. Okay, I'm gonna show you something and then you tell me you can draw it right now or you can draw it later. Okay, okay. Here is the thing. Can you see the screen? Show me your thumbs if you can see the screen. Show me the thumb if you see the screen. Thumbs up. I want to see your thumbs. Good. Haya Saleh, see the screen. Everyone, show me the thumb if you can see the screen. You are seeing the screen? Okay, what is this? Show me by showing your hands. What is this? Yes, show me your hand. Good, good. Very nice. Everyone, show me your hand. Very nice. Yes, what it's called? Hand. What it's called? Hand. Now I have drawn this thing by putting my finger on the paper like this. And I put the pencil over like this. And I draw it around my hands, my fingers. Like that. Around the fingers. Can you do it? You have to put your hands on the paper like this. Paper में ऐसे hand रखना. You have to put your hands like this on the paper. You have to put your hands like this on the paper and then आपने pencil को revolve करना है around your fingers like this. Open your fingers and draw it like this till your hands are completed. Like this. Put your hand on the paper and draw it like this and complete your full hand by drawing the end part of it. Revolve the pencil around your fingers one by one, slowly, slowly, and don't remove your hand until you draw the complete hand. Do not remove your fingers. Do not remove your hands until you draw the full palm. Can you do it? Show me the thumbs if you do it. Good. Haya Saleh, well done. Clapping for you. Wow, very beautiful. Good try. I like it. Very nice. Oh, wow, so beautiful. You guys are so talented. Oh, my God. Oh, wow. Wow, wow. Very nice. Everyone, I'm amazed. Good, good. Easy. It's very easy. What you're gonna do is put your hands on the paper and hold your pencil and draw it around your fingers. Good. Just one by one around every finger until the very end. Very good, Anshara. I can see your face. I can see your picture. Good. Very good. Closer to the camera. Closer. A little bit closer. Oh, good. Oh, good. Very nice. Very nice. What? Wow. Banana, you are also done? Good job. Well done. Anam Zahid. Anam Azam, you are also done? Good job. Well done. I'm proud of you guys. Good. Okay, I'm going to stop the screen sharing. I want to see your drawing. Good. Very nice. Everyone, well done. Well done. Wow. So beautiful. Umya, what is your name? You put your name inside your palm. Wow. Okay. Now I would like you to color your palm. Color your palm. But first write your finger's name. What is this finger called? What do you call? Write it inside the finger. Write it inside the finger you have drawn in the paper. What? Paper with drawing kiya, you have to write it inside it. Lady finger, middle finger, what it's called, and what it's called, and what it's thumb. Write it down on the drawing and color it with the different colors you like. Okay? You can color it later. This is your homework to color your palm. Okay? Good. Very good. Very, very good. Clap in, everyone. Well done. Today's exercise is well done. Good job. Yes, Kasim, drink water. Water is very necessary to drink. Everybody has lunch? Are you done with the lunch? Sabne lunch kar liya? Nod your head if you are done. Nod your head. Nod your head like this. If you don't do it, do it like this. No. Yes. 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 You done? Good. Very nice. Well done. Now, you guys starting coloring or should I go with the new? Do you want to learn something new else? Do you guys want to learn something more? Okay, good, good. Good, well done, well done. Do you like art now? How do you are drawing? Why are you rolling your hair, Sashil? You don't like straight hairs? Huh? Okay. What is this, Kasim? Pencil to pick then. Why are you throwing the pencil? I can see what you are doing. Don't be naughty. Okay. Hunana said you are still working. Anshara, you are not done. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, did you guys heard the poem of finger families? 5 finger families. Hi, Saleh. Very nice. You are champ. Good. Did you guys hear the poem of finger families? Finger family, mother finger, where are you? Where is the mother finger? Which is the mother finger? Anyone? Very good. This is the mother finger. Very good, very good. Father finger, where are you? Good, very nice. Seems like most of the students know. Good. Brother finger, where are you? Where is the brother finger? No, Aisha, this is not the brother finger. Yes. Good. This is not the brother finger also. No, I said this is not the brother finger. This is mother finger. This is father finger. Okay. 2 fingers done. Brother finger, where are you? Here I am. Here I am. How do you do? Okay. Sister finger, where are you? Which is the sister finger? The fourth one. Yeah. The smallest finger is the fourth one. The smallest finger. The smallest finger is the sister finger. Good. Now, baby finger, where are you? No, Aya, this is not the baby finger. Baby finger. Which one is the baby finger? Very good, Anam. The thumb is the baby finger because it's small, no? It is very small, so it's a baby. Baby small, hote to the thumb is small, so it's a baby. Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do? Now what you guys gonna do is make a hand puppet. आपने क्या करना है? Face, hand पे eyes draw करने, 2 eyes, nose and smiley face, and make a puppet. I'm gonna show you how to do it. आपने सबने hand draw किया ना? What you gonna do is make a hand puppet. Let me show you how to draw it. Hold on a minute. I'm going to share the screen with you. And you can see now. Here you go. Yes, everyone. Can you see the screen? Can you see my screen of whiteboard? Yes? Show me the thumbs. Thumbs up, everyone.
Yeah.
Very good. Show me the thumb, everyone. Can you see my screen? Thumbs up. Can you see my screen? Good, good, good. Everyone, show me the thumbs up and you can see my screen. Okay, good. Now I'm going to show you how to draw the lady finger. This is your finger. Okay, what you're going to do is draw the finger in your hand. And what you're going to do is draw the eyes. Draw the 2 small eyes. 2 small eyes with the circle. Okay, like that, small. Oh my God. Okay, 2 small circles with the eyes. And here you go. And eyes are done. Now I'm making nose, a little bit of nose, and I'm gonna make a smiley face. You can do with the pencil and paper. I'm drawing on a computer, so it is taking a little bit time. Okay, done. See, my eyes are done. Now I'm making a hair. Here you go, I done. Now you can do the coloring in the eyes and you can color on the nose as well, or you can draw the hair is the neckline. Face are done. See, simple. This is only the one finger drawing. You can draw a lot of in your more fingers in the paper. Once you draw the thumb and lady finger, father finger, brother finger, sister finger, all 5 fingers, you can draw a lot of designs on the paper. Even you can change the hairstyle into different style. You can take the center line mark and make a paper like the father hairstyle, or you can draw your own hairstyle. How did you do the whole hairstyle? Side mount निकाल कर आपने जो बनानी है, just like you are having Anam Azam. I see your hairstyle is very nice, very pretty. You can draw like that. Your hairs are coming like that. आपने यहाँ पर hairs बनाने अपने. You can draw your hairs like that also. So pretty, Anam. Answer, your hairs are looking very pretty also. Hunana, nice hair. Just draw like that over here and here. You can draw any style you like. Good. Okay, I'm gonna stop the screen sharing. You can draw whatever you like to draw, and then you can color the hairs. You can color the hairs as well. Okay, color the eyes, color the nose. You can also name the father finger. This is my friend finger, so I'm gonna make a friend finger. Okay, That's it. So easy. Easy. Everyone understand this thing? Can you make it? Show me the thumbs if you can make it. See, you have to draw the hand and then you can draw a lot of designs on this hand finger. Okay? Now I'm gonna show you hand again. Then I'm gonna show you the finger designs. See, this is the hand you have drawn. One by one, each finger, in each finger you can draw different designs. Okay. Your designs. Okay. I want to see your designs. So, wow, you have done the coloring, Hunayna. Very pretty. Wow, very pretty. Superb. Wow, everyone, you guys are doing very good coloring. I like it. I like it. You know, you can do a lot of designs with the hand. Okay, I'm going to show you a lot of things right now. Done. Everyone is showing very great designs. Wow, good. Good to see you guys are so interested. Wow. It will be very interesting to show you guys a lot of different things. Well, and Mustajab Alvi, you have raised your hand. Okay. I'm going to unmute you all and ask me question if you any have. And then we'll end the class. And next time I'm going to see the hand designs. In finger designs, you can draw a lot of shapes or design, whatever you like to make. But remember the character: mother finger, father finger, brother finger, sister finger, baby finger. Okay, remember these names. Draw the characters in the fingers according to the name. Okay, you guys, you can go right now because this is last 2 minutes. Any question regarding the class? Ask me.
Excuse me. Hello.
Yes.
टीचर वो अनम आजम नहीं है, इशाल आजम है.
Because I don't know the by face name, na? So whenever you log in into my class, everyone told your mother or your father, whoever is connecting the in class, rename your child, rename into your child name so that I can take the attendance as well. हाँ? अब यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले पे टेक्नो कैमन आ रहा है, हया साले आ रहा है, अनम आजम आ रहा है. So I don't know is this your child name or your name, but whenever you log in into the class, please change the name into your child name so that I can call them by their name. This is the first time I'm watching their faces, huh? Anam Azam, what is your real name?
इशाल आजम.
Ishal Azam. Okay. Ishal.
चलिए कलर की जब बनाइए और बनाइए, सारी पिक्चर्स में अलग अलग बनाना है. इसमें स्माइली बनाया है.
Anyone else has a question?
सब में अलग
Anyone
अलग.
else? Do you guys enjoy the class? Show me the thumbs so you can speak up. मजा आया? Enjoy किया? Did you guys enjoy today? Isma, why are you in class 1? Huh? You should be in class 2. Aisha Kaman, why are you in class 1, beta? Mustajab, why are you guys confused? Jennifer asked. You guys should be promoted to class 2. Fidar, Muhammad Ali, Manazil, Roma. Beta, you guys should be in class 2.
इस ब्लॉक में हमारी क्लास में तो हम लोग
Why are you sitting over here in class 1 class,
में तो हम लोग आपकी क्लास में आके बैठ
class 1 art class. This is class 1 art class.
Okay.
This is class 1 art class. Those who are students of year 2, please log out yourself. Aisha Kamal, Zainab Faraz, Roma, Balvi, you guys are promoted to class 2. For the class 1. Okay, guys. Good luck for the next class. And show me the program. Show me the work you have done in the next time. And I hope to see very good drawing. Good, good. I see everyone is progressing very fast. You guys are good in drawing. Good to see that. Everyone, take care of yourself and have a healthy days and lunch. Don't disturb your parents and help your mother, father with their work. Okay. Take care of yourself. Till then, Allah Hafiz.
टीचर
Yes.
हाफिज
Allah Hafiz.
मेरे पास मेरे पेज पे बना लिया
Allah Hafiz, everyone.
मैंने
Take
पेज पे
care.
बना
See you
लिया
next time. Allah Hafiz.
टीचर वो मैंने पेज पे बना लिया
Wave your hand. Show me waving. I can't see waving hands, everyone.
मैंने
I wish
पेज
I
पे
can see
बना
you
लिया
waving. Kasim, wave your hand. Go, you want to go? No. Allah Hafiz. See you next time. Till then, take care, everyone. Next time, be on time and with your name. Okay? Allah Hafiz.
अल्लाह हाफिज
Hafiz.